This video will be the more technical video of the new feature, which is the CW here, or change or choose waybar. So we have three in here. Wayfire has more, and Sway I don't know, right? So you can make these applications, and it's based on YAD. This is YAD. So you can launch YAD, you can read YAD, and listen, display GTK plus dialogues from shell scripts or command line. Basically, it's what I never wanted to do for the ArcoLinux tweet tool. I wanted to learn Python and I wanted to learn GTK, right? But for things, small little things like this, switcheroos, which is basically what I'm going to show you, switch from one waybar to another waybar, right? Then YAD is interesting. Ctrl-Alt-G or Ctrl-Alt-F or V, whatever you like as browser, and you go and read and follow maybe examples. And that's exactly what I did. So I downloaded something from online and I just manipulated the way I want it to be. So we have here YAD here, examples code. You just Google and find information about the application. Maybe interesting as well to have a look. What is possible with YAD? So these buttons down here, lots of things are possible, and you can, if this is clicked, then do that, and so on. You really can program a logic behind this particular thing. What we have here is this is actually my application. Change waybar hyperlink. That's it. And it results in this. Where is it coming from? We put things like this either in user local bin, or in this case in your home folder. So in the bin there is a text and script, this one, and it needs to be there, otherwise it can't work, it can't function. And that's it. Your little application that we just saw is YAD. Give me a title on it, a form, the width and the height. Choose the waybar as the text. There's an image, dialog, question, image on top. And then you have a field, waybar Alt 1. There's a button. And when you click on the button, you launch this thing. And if you click on button 2, you'll do this, and so on, and a cancel. And that's it. With this small little thing, we got that. And if we click here, it moves away to this one, to the folder called change, which means follow the programming. It goes to hyper, it goes to change, and it runs this, runs that, or runs that. Now, it's important to know what we're doing, since we are overwriting things. We are removing from your home directory, from a certain bar, the default config. So the waybar, that's always the default. It points the status bar that is started here. All right. I'm sorry. It always points to this one, this folder. So yes, sorry. We're going to put this, well, delete everything in here. Let's take a look again. Delete anything in here, then we're going to copy paste everything from the waybar Alt 1 to there. We're gonna kill waybar, we wait a little bit, and then say, okay, run it again. That's basically all we do. And with this, we have a switch. And that's why I call it a switcheroo, right? Because basically, if you click, the application comes, click here, is that one, clicks there, wait for it, and that's there, up, and we're back. So we can apply this on Wayfire as well as on maybe Sway. I'll see later. Okay, so that's technical what's happening. So my advice always is the same. If you start changing things, if you start making your own waybars, give it an alternative name, right? Give it another name, so it will never be overwritten with a scal. That's the best way, easiest way. And from time to time, right, do this. Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V. I've shown you that in so many videos. And you say, this is mine, right? And then you can do scal all you want, and then you just compare again after a scal and say, okay, let's compare. All right, so that's the change, that's the background, that's how we did it. Cheers.